$300 camcorder. Got it on sale for $180. What?
So, I'm gonna try turning it off and turn it back on. Maybe
Is it still not working? Our
3G
isn't working.
Oh, here's on tape.
So you know what I can do now, Dad? Go to the movie theater with a tripod and record movies. I'll upload them to the internet. You know how people do cams of in the movie theater?
Oh, jeez.
What?
Look.
What?
That's the roof at the Metrodome.
Oh shit. It fell in.
Oh my goodness.
When was this?
This morning.
There it goes. Holy crap.
Wow. No question the game cannot be played there. For more on the Mets of Minnesota, why don't we go live to the Metrodome and Pam Oliver to get the latest. Pam?
Well, Kurt, we were just about in the building not too long ago, and it is just something to see. I've never seen anything quite like it. That huge hole that you see behind me, well, that's a breach that occurred around 5 o'clock in the morning. Crews have been out here trying to start the repairs, but you kind of wonder what for. Actually, the game has been moved to Detroit. It will be played at 7 o'clock tomorrow night. The Vikings can finally host their game against the New York Giants.
Lucky.
7 o'clock tomorrow night, honey.
A cat. Meow.
They decided against that and instead have moved to Detroit at 7 o'clock.
So we have no 3G network, honey.
Well,
Living with a cat.
I tried to click on market. You click on market and it says there's no network available.
But it's definitely...
well, I'm trying to restart mine and see it.
The Minnesota Metrodome was no match for a winter storm that pummeled the American Midwest on Sunday. Nothing more than 2 feet of snow in Minneapolis-St. Paul and causing the roof of the Metrodome to collapse. Snow covered the playing field inside the American Professional Football Stadium after the inflatable
Stop,
roof
cat.
and collapsed in the early morning hours. There were no injuries, but the roof collapse prompted the National Football League to move the site of the New York Giants Minnesota Vikings game to Detroit, where there will be no stars or attention. John Decker, Reuters.
What's wrong?
Are your planners bounty claims? Things last time. Just one should have you just like a
Dirty fish tank.
Now I got it back. You should too.
Oh, there's a wall there.
What are you doing?
Nothing?
Are you recording?
No?
There you are.
No, I'm seeing if I could get it to focus on the...
How come I can't get it to focus?
Because you're probably too close. I got mine to focus. It looks like it's about to fall on that house.
Oh, so they're hoping that this is the third time that it's happened, and they're hoping that they'll have it repaired by next Monday's game. So we're supposed to play Monday night against the Bears.
The third time that what? The roof has caved in?
Yeah.
Shit. They haven't fixed it yet?
Well, no, they fixed it all the different times that it's caved in.
They didn't do a very good job then.
Oh, so you have a recorder.
No, I just started. Oh yeah. Lucky. Lucky.